Hello guys and hi. This is Chan here from quickpreview.in and today I am a little bit less louder cause there is some work going on in my house. So let's start with the product Cached. So Cached is an all-in-one app for affiliate marketing or online earning basically. So you can create campaigns, you can start with tutorials. You need to start with tutorials to go through this. Like tutorial is very detailed. Okay, let me show you how the tutorial section looks. So it is taking a little bit time. While it is taking time, let me show you from this page. If you just got the tool by clicking on the topmost description link, you will be given bonuses. So I will reveal the bonuses, but for now let me show you the tutorial section. So this is the tutorial section. As you can see, everything is given. Like you can integrate any of your autoresponders, integration facility is given. That is why this integration tutorial is given also, and also the done for you campaigns, how to set up everything is given, and also free traffic is given. Inside this section free traffic is given. I will also come to that. Okay, so inside campaign, let me show you how this tool works. So you can add new campaign by clicking on create new, and for this video purpose let me show you after doing all of the form fill up. If I click on create new, it will give me a big form. I don't want to fill that inside this video and waste your time. After filling everything like the product title, everything, you will be given this kind of site, and with this kind of site you can earn a good money, not daily basis but in a frequent basis. I am also doing the same method, that is why I am telling. And what else I need to tell, I don't know. Basically that is the thing. I am a live proof that I am also doing the same thing. So you can use this app very easily. Like as I have told you, these are the done for you, sorry, these are the created campaigns. And inside page content, you can give your video URL. And with video URL, when you are giving video URL, you can think of that video URL, a page will dedicatedly made over a video. Okay, so you can think of that kind of thing. Like this is the video URL section, and after that these are the products from other platforms of Warrior Plus, of Zebizu, that kind of platforms. Okay, and also products for your affiliate marketing to get commission. The products are selected, and also you can add your own product. You can click on new also, and inside the done for you section, the done for you campaigns are given. Like as I have showed you already how you can create new campaign, these are the done for you campaign. So let me show you one of them, and sorry, let me show you 2 or 3 of them. So as you can see, this is a done for you campaign, and also this is a done for you campaign for Bitcoin. This is a done for you campaign for cryptocurrency, and also this is a done for you campaign for passive income. And inside traffic, if you want to get traffic, you can integrate any of your social media handles, any of them, and you have to integrate. Obviously you have to additionally integrate the social medias, then you can do so. And after that, inside the upgrade section, bonus builder is also given. Some done for you bonus pages are given, and also some upsells are given. So you can click on create. It will take a little bit time, I know that will take some time, so keep patience. I hope you are keeping patience. So from this page, as I was talking, that this tool costs only $17, and also 180 days no satisfaction money back guarantee. Forget that. Don't ever try to use it 180 days or 160 days and then refund it. Okay, don't hope so. I will recommend you to get 30 days no satisfaction money back guarantee. So these are the done for you pages. It will take obviously some time. My internet is okay, but usually this section is taking time. I was using previously, there will be some bonus pages. Okay, so these are the descriptions of this tool, and also if you got only the front end, you will be given 29 bonuses, and if you got any of them, obviously you have to go through the front end to get any of them. So if you got them, you will be given 400 plus bonuses. So these are the stuffs that will be given. These are the bonuses from every aspects, from every field. I have collected for so many days, that will be given to you totally free. A vendor bonus vault is also given by the vendor. You can purchase the tool from anywhere, you will be given the vendor bonus. And if someone is not giving you, or I have not given you, basically you can contact me through comment, and the vendor bonus link I will be giving you for asking from the vendor. And if you got the upsell, you will be given the 400 plus stuffs. Most of them are software and also plugin there, loop musics, high quality graphics pack like image pack, doodle character pack, miscellaneous product, music packs, right, copyright free music. That's all will be given to you. So this was the bonus page as I was talking, and there is nothing much to show you apart from this free traffic section. Inside this free traffic section, the number 4 step, it is taking some time. So inside the number 4 section, you have to fill up a Google form, and after that you hope 100 solo ads, basically 100 solo ads. Okay, so that is all I want to say. And this is the sales page. This is the sales page of the tool. Have a good day. This is the sales page. Bye bye.